If you got a pad now that you don't want to give up, we got another version of this that'll fit directly over the back of your saddle and hang in the same position. It does the same thing as the leg up built into the pad, and you can see that on the website. This pad is made out of material that you can see through and the air will flow through, okay? Now this pad is constructed of 3 layers of this. It's got a bottom layer, a middle layer, and this top layer that fits over top of all this. Now you'll see the leg up hanger is sewn into that pad with nylon straps, and you can't pull it out with a pickup truck. This is a saddle tray. Basically, a saddle is made by attaching leather to this to make a finished, complete car. These are wooden trees, they're injected trees, they're flex trees, but the bottom line of it is all trees are about the same size, and that is across the width and across the length. The only thing that varies on most trees is the seat position from a 14-inch seat to a 17-inch seat. But the bars is what sits on your horse's back, and that's where you got to protect your horse. Is where those bars in that saddle tree fit your horse. This 3-layer pad has high density automotive grade foam in the position that's necessary to protect your horse's back from that tree. And then all this other area is open for airflow and heat dissipation. But you can see that even though trees might vary a little bit, that's certainly enough foam to protect your horse's back. And that foam is so dense, you can take your 2 fingers and you can't squeeze it together. Okay? Now, we top all this off with this 3rd top layer. The only thing you get to see is the pretty part. That's all that matters to you. But it's all in there, okay? And it's the best pad that's ever been made in the history of the world. And the only place you can get them is right here with this product. And on top of this pad is a piece of hook Velcro. And the reason that's on there is to embed in the fleece of your saddle to prevent any possibility of that pad moving under that saddle. This item here is a safety device and a mounting aid. It's called a night latch, and it fits over your saddle horn and buckles right on your saddle. And you can see it stays on that pretty good. And what you got in a night latch is you got your safety handle that'll help you stay on your horse if it gets a little foolish, and you got a strap that you can use to pull up, especially if you're a shorter person, without having to strain enough to reach all the way up to reach that saddle horn. So it's a combination tool. And the history of that is when they used to drive cattle from Texas to Kansas to the railheads, the boys that tended those cows at night would take a piece of leather and tie their hand onto the saddle horn so when they went to sleep it wouldn't fall off. They called it a night latch. So I'm plagiarizing that name, night latch. And it's on our website. If you got a saddle that don't fit that well, rather than putting all the pressure on the pad, you can fasten it to your back rigging and put some of the weight onto your, to your saddle, just like a regular mounting strap. Okay. We realize that some people don't want to invest in a new pad in order to get this technology. So what we've done is we developed a couple of other options. This is a leg up that will fasten onto your front and back rigging with 1-inch nylon straps. They'll do the same thing as the leg up built in a pad without the additional expense of a pad. We also realize that there are people out there that need assistance getting on their horse with the third stirrup and the mounting method that you employed by the leg up. So we built another unit that's the economy unit that straps onto your saddle rigging front and back, and you use it to get up on your horse, adjust the length of what you need, and then just reach down and throw it behind your saddle once you